Today, we're diving into a really interesting acquisition opportunity. We're talking about a turnkey land surveying company right in the heart of the booming Northeast Florida market. Now, this is a business with some serious history and a rock-solid reputation. So let's get into it and see what makes it such a compelling buy.
All right, let's cut right to the chase. The number everyone wants to see first. The asking price is $900,000. Keep that number in your head because everything else we're about to cover shows you exactly what you're getting for that investment.
And does it have the revenue to back that up? You bet. In 2024, the business pulled in just over $1 million. Hitting that seven-figure mark is a huge deal. It shows this is a serious, established player, not some small-time shop. They've got a major footprint here. But let's be honest, for any potential buyer, this is the number that really hits home. The seller's discretionary earnings, or SDE, was over $347,000. Put simply, that's the total cash flow that's available to you, the new owner. That's the real take-home potential we're talking about.
Okay, so let's dig a little deeper into those numbers. This is where you can really see the profitable and stable foundation this whole opportunity is built on. It's the financial story of the company's health and, just as importantly, its consistency.
And the first thing that just jumps right off the page is the consistency. Look at this, a multi-year track record where the revenue is always comfortably over that $1 million mark. This isn't some flash in the pan, it's a business with proven, sustained demand for what they do.
Now, let's break it down even more. You can see the revenue, of course, but look at those SDE and adjusted EBITDA columns. They're consistently strong year after year, which proves just how profitable this operation is. You know, it's one thing to bring in revenue, but it's another thing to generate cash. And for any buyer, that's the bottom line.
But of course, a business like this isn't just about the numbers on a spreadsheet. It's built on something much more lasting, right? It's built on a legacy of excellence and literally decades of trust that it's earned in its community.
You know, this quote here really says it all. In the surveying world, your reputation is everything. Words like reliability and accuracy, those aren't just marketing fluff. They are the actual currency of trust that brings in repeat business and referrals year in and year out.
So, how do they keep things so stable? Well, a huge piece of that puzzle is their customer mix. It is a perfectly balanced 50-50 split. Half their work is on big civil and construction projects, and the other half is from residential and mortgage surveys. That diversification is a massive asset. It's like a built-in shock absorber against any slumps in one particular market. It's just smart business.
Okay, so let's pop the hood and take a look at the engine that's actually driving all this profitability. What are the core assets and operational pieces that make this business run so well?
Well, it all starts with the people. You've got a seasoned team of about 9 to 10 employees, including experienced crew chiefs and, get this, an office manager who's been with the company for over 20 years. That is huge. This is a self-sufficient crew that lets an owner work on the business, not get bogged down in the business.
The team is absolutely a massive asset, but there's another one that is frankly pretty much irreplaceable. Take a look at this number, 50,000. What in the world could that be?
That, my friends, is the company's secret weapon. It's a proprietary archive of over 50,000 historical surveys. Think about that. This is an incredible library of data that gives them a massive competitive advantage. It makes any follow-up work faster, cheaper, and way more profitable. It's an asset a new competitor simply could not build overnight. No way.
So, you've got the financials, you've got the sterling reputation, you've got the assets. The final piece of the puzzle for any potential buyer is always the same thing, the transition. How do you make sure that handover is smooth and successful? And this is where a huge amount of the risk is just taken right off the table. The current owner is committed to staying on for up to a full year. They'll be there to help with client introductions, oversee quality, and just generally support the new owner's integration. This isn't a here are the keys, good luck situation. It's a thoughtful transition that's designed for success.
And look, this isn't just about keeping things as they are. There are some really clear, tangible ways to grow this business. Imagine adding more field crews or really focusing in on those high-margin civil projects. You could even modernize with new tech like drone mapping. The foundation is absolutely solid, and it's just waiting for a new owner to build on it.
So, let's wrap it up. What we've got here is a business with a proven financial track record, a top-notch reputation, a loyal team, and a unique competitive advantage that's almost impossible to replicate. And it all comes with a clear path for a smooth transition and real growth. So, the only question left is, are you ready to build on this legacy?